In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up multi-level heading numbering in Microsoft Word. To begin, click anywhere in your document so Word knows where to apply the changes. Then go to the Home tab and open the Multi-Level List drop-down. From that menu, choose Define New Multi-Level List. Be sure you select Define New Multi-Level List, not Define New List Style. The first option edits the numbering scheme itself, which is what we want for headings. The List Style option creates a reusable style set, which isn't necessary for this setup. In the dialog that opens, start by selecting Level 1 in the left pane. Link level to style should be set to Heading 1. Linking levels to the built-in heading styles is crucial because it tells Word to automatically apply numbering to your headings and keep everything consistent throughout the document. It also helps with navigation and generates cleaner tables of contents later. Now set the number format for Level 1. Choose the numbering style you prefer, such as 1, 2, 3, or A, B, C, and add any punctuation you want after the number, like a period or a space. When you're ready to access the full set of controls, click the More button at the bottom of the dialog. This expands options like alignment, whether the number is followed by a tab or a space, and where that tab should stop. These settings help keep text neatly aligned across different levels. Next, select Level 2 and link it to Heading 2. Adjust the number format so it displays as a sub-level under Level 1. If you want the format to look like 1.1, 1.2, and so on, make sure the format includes the previous level's number. You can do this by choosing to include the Level 1 number and then adding your Level 2 number after it. It's also a good idea to enable restart settings, so this second level starts over under each new Heading 1, ensuring 1.1 follows 1 and 2.1 follows 2. Repeat the same approach for additional levels as needed, linking Level 3 to Heading 3, Level 4 to Heading 4, and adjusting the number format for each. Keep the structure consistent so your numbering reads logically across the document. When everything looks right, click OK. From now on, applying Heading 1, Heading 2, and so on to your text will automatically produce the multi-level numbering you've defined. If something doesn't look aligned, revisit the More options to fine-tune spacing and tab stops. This setup keeps your document clean, professional, and easy to navigate.